Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance rock. The choreography is Entertainment District, the music is rock, and the artist is Entertainment District. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Also, as a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end. Also, want to give a shout out to everyone that registered for the NOLA Southern Experience 2024. We are sold out, and I am getting you ready for the NOLA Southern Experience. Of course, this dance will be on the playlist, and let's rock.
Yeah, Entertainment District, here we go again. Fellas, grab your girls, ladies, grab your boyfriends. Head to the floor, cause it's time to get it in. You can take your nails, cause we all about to win. Hotties on my left, ballers on my right. DJ got me hyped, then pass me the mic. Ain't nobody shot, we gotta jump in non-stop. Like 3, 6, and 8, no, we make it rock now. Now let's rock, y'all.
There you go. Did you see where I messed up a little bit, but I cleaned it up? Keep going, keep going. That is rock. Make sure you check out the step-by-step instructions at the end of this video. Just click on it. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.